Hi, I'm Yash, the estate manager at Redstone. Welcome to our spring construction update. Redstone will be made up of 6 vibrant neighborhoods, and our first neighborhood, Northwell, is nearly complete. Over 500 home sites have been sold, but there is still some title lands available ready for you to build as soon as you are ready. Exciting construction is also happening in the town center, Eastview, and Macedon View neighborhoods. The main boulevard is being developed to connect the key infrastructure to the future town center, schools, and Club Redstone, with a new road providing residents with an alternate entry and exit. In Eastview, where State 16 purchasers will call home, titles are expected by May 2025, offering fantastic city views. Eastview will also host the region's largest display village with 20 builders showcasing 40 display homes. Meanwhile, Club Redstone is scheduled to begin construction in March 2025 and initial wetlands work are already underway. At Macedon Views, Stage 21A is progressing, with titles also expected in June 2025. Several display homes are open from builders like Metricon, Henley, Siemens, and more, as well as Villa Range and Nostra Town Homes. If you'd like to take a tour or want to learn more, feel free to contact me or visit us at Redstone Sales Office.